I normally say good morning, but here we are. I don't know, 2 o'clock in the afternoon-ish. October, I'm going to go with October 10th. Either the 9th or the 10th, I'm not quite sure. So, currently, I'm going to plant some garlic. Do it the right way this time. Not that it didn't work last time, but it did. Just not great. So anyways, I've already started. So what I have is I've pulled from that compost pile over there, and we've relocated it over there to that. That's going to be my garlic bed for the winter. So I have, let me unlock this here. I ordered some hardneck garlic. So this is hardneck garlic music variety. It's called music. I ordered 2 pounds. I've already put a pound in the ground. That compost I've been flipping all summer, so there's a little bit of everything in it. Next to the shavings from the dog kennel, weeds and grass and chicken carcasses, and yeah, it's in there. So I've taken, like I said, that pile and relocated it over there to that pile. That's going to be my base. And then I have on the other property leaves that I have that just been sitting there. So it's pretty much a topsoil. It's a compost of sorts. But I needed to get it cleaned up, and I'm like, wow, that'd be great. I'm just going to put that on top of this so all those nutrients come through. And then I'm going to pull some of the stuff out of the chicken coop. So that's going to go on top of that. And I think, because we don't get really that bad of winters, I don't think I need to put straw on top of it. I may not. I don't know. I think I'm just going to leave it like it is. We don't get the extreme temps. So then minus 30 and 20 temps, we don't get them here. So I think we'll be okay. So let me get over there and let's get to that. I need to take all these out of the hides. Okay, so as you can see, there's not very many cloves or bulb. Cloves in the bulb. There you go. That's how you say it. So there's like 4 in this one. And you see they're really big. That's kind of why I went with it. They were big garlic bulbs. And wow, the chickens, the chicken carcasses really stink in there. So hopefully this has got enough in it. I would think. I hope anyways. But yeah, so let me finish doing that and we'll put them in the ground. Okay, so can you see it here? Yeah, okay, so you really can't. So this end goes down. I'm only pushing them in. They're going to be a couple, 2-3 inches in by the time I get done. So the nasty chicken stuff is horrible here. Whose bright idea was it to put chicken carcasses in there? Oh, there's one right there. Let's not play with it anymore. They stink. Wow, they stink. All right, well, that's it. Cover those up. All right, let's go get some leaves here. Spread this around a little bit. I know there were some roots in that in there. There's all kinds of stuff growing in it, so we're going to try to pull that out. The raspberries. want that in there. I don't know what the hell to do with it. There we go. And we want that in there. Okay, so all of this was laying on the concrete slab. So the roots are all kind of just in it. I'm sure they'll probably break down, but I think we'll be okay with this like it is. And I'll throw some chicken stuff on it out of the chicken coop. Watch, I'm in here grabbing a poison ivy or something. It looks like an oak tree. It is, it's an oak tree. How about that, huh? See that? Or the acorn. The acorn and everything. Look, I might plant it somewhere. I don't know where, but I might plant it somewhere. All right, chicken coop. Chicken litter. Oh, I got a bunch in the basement. Yeah, I know. Why do you got chicken poop in your basement? Well, because that's where we raised the little babies at. So hang tight. All right, now that I'm whipped. Oy. I didn't think this was going to be enough. I'm not quite positive that's going to be enough. So, somebody forgot to take that out. I'm hoping that all this chicken poop and that nitrogen kills off anything that was living in those leaves. I know. Why didn't I just dump it in? Well, because I knew there were some clumpy pieces in there that I wanted to be able to break up without stabbing my garlic. So if that answers your question, why didn't I just dump it in? And then we'll just kind of push it all over here, and hopefully this all breaks down some more by the time next spring rolls around. Alright, I think I'm getting your guys' way here. I think I can live with it. Pretty sure I can, just like it is. And we'll kind of see what they look like in the spring. Make sure they ain't having any problems. See if we can uncover some. But we know where they're at. Alright, so let's go over there and mess with what's left of those potatoes. Alright, so garlic. I got that from the Urban Farmer. I'll put that link in the description below. And I bought 2 pounds, and where did it go? I threw it up here somewhere. There it is. I don't really want to walk on this. So I only got two cloves like that were rotten out of 2 pounds, so that's pretty good, I thought anyways. I'm tired, you guys. I still got more to do. All right, let's get after it. Oh, am I whipped? Okay, so as you can see, this 2-tire stack has finally died off. So this one here was holding out for me, but yeah, So for the most part, they're dead, except for that one. And like I just pulled a potato up doing that. So let's see what we got in here. And there's just a little one. But I think maybe how I did that first set of tires may have been my failure at this. So this one here, I didn't do it the same way. I only did one. I probably could have gone another one, just based on this potato being right here at the top. So I think I killed the other ones off when I filled them up. And whose bright idea was it to do that? But we'll see here. Oh, look at that. I see taters. Yay. Well, I have potatoes. Not that they're really big or anything, but we have some red potatoes. See another one there. That's a pretty decent russet, hey? Look at that. Hey. So I think that this is probably possible based on that. Look at that. It grew right underneath it. Look at that one. Looks like a peanut. All right. Well, can you grow potatoes in a tire? Yes, you can. I guess if you're pressed for space, you can do it. I mean, really, that's not really all that much. But yeah, I think you can do it. I don't know if I'm going to try it again. I don't need to. I guess if you needed the space, you could do it. Maybe a different method than I use, but I suppose it is possible. I didn't get a very big yield. A few decent potatoes in there, but not much. So yeah. And so my potatoes are done. Well, this project's done anyways. All right, so on to the puppies. Okay, so Mr. Chance right here, this guy, this male, he still needs a home. These two, we're keeping these two. So. But this guy still needs a home. And then we got these little vicious ones over here. So let me let Mom out. Come on, Eric. There we go. So look at these guys. Look at the cuteness in here. Look at the cuteness in here. Oh my gosh. Hi, how are you? Look at that one. They usually bark and snarl at me. Look at this. Look at this. These guys got about 3 or 4 more weeks and they're ready to go. I know that's really loud. So we weighed all of them. They're roughly from 2 pounds. I don't know which ones are which. 2 pounds to 2.5 pounds. All of these guys are going to stay small. Oh, he just bit me on my finger. Did you see that? Look at them blue eyes. Crazy blue eyes. So this one's a male. He's the only male. He's got brown eyes. That one's got blue eyes. This one, of course, has blue eyes. And then this little creamy one's got brown eyes. These are Pomskies. They're Pooh babies. So Pooh and Mom. Mom's not very big. Here's Mom right here. There she went. What are you doing? She's over there. So there's Mom. And then this is actually one of the siblings to those. This one here. And she peed on the floor. Let her out and she peed. This is Dad. This is Pooh. Hi, Pooh. Hi, Pooh. How you doing, buddy? There he is. Hi, Pooh. How you doing, mister? Yeah. So, yeah, Mom's wanting some attention here. What is that? What is that? She's like, nope, I'm out. So, anyways, yeah, and all the links for them are on These guys are in the description below. And I think I'll leave you right here. I don't puppies. See you next time.